Hi, welcome to Lebara Mobile. Installing Lebara Internet settings to your Samsung Galaxy S4 phone is easy to do. By following the steps you are about to see, you'll be able to browse your favorite internet sites as well as send and receive MMS messages. To do so, from the home screen, select the Applications icon. Select Settings. Select More Networks. Select Mobile Networks. Select Access Point Names. Press the menu button. Select New APN. Select Name. Type Lebara Internet and click OK. Select APN. Type uk.lebara.mobi and click OK. Select Username. Type WAP and click OK. Select Password. Type WAP and click OK. You have now installed Lebara Internet settings to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Before you save the settings, you will need to install Lebara MMS settings, which will enable you to send photo messages. Still in the new APN screen, scroll down and select MMSC. Type http://mms.lebara.co.uk/servlets/MMS and click OK. Select MMS proxy. Type 212.183.137.012 and click OK. Select MMS port. Type 8799 and click OK. Select MCC. Type 234 and click OK. Select MNC. Type 15 and click OK. Select Authentication type. Type PAP and click OK. Select APN type. Type Default and click OK. Now press the menu button and press Save. Click the Home button to return to the home page. To activate the Lebara Internet and MMS settings you've just installed, you will need to switch your Samsung Galaxy phone off and on. Congratulations! You have now installed Lebara Internet settings to your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can start browsing the internet by clicking the internet browser icon. Remember, you will need a minimum credit balance of 15 pence to use Lebara Internet. Your default internet page should now be the Lebara mobile site m.lebara.co.uk. Using the Lebara mobile site will help you to top up, check your balances, view special offers, access help and contact information, use quick links and Google search for general browsing of the internet. For further answers regarding our services, please visit our help site at www.help.lebara.co.uk. Alternatively, you can contact us via email at care@lebara-mobile.co.uk, as well as via Facebook at www.facebook.com/Lebara Mobile, or via Twitter at Lebara Mobile.